State of cultural extravaganza where we will be celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. We are truly blessed with your presence. To double the joy of the day, we are graced by the presence of our dignitaries, Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, Academic Administrator, Primary Coordinator. Along with them, I welcome our educators, scorers, participants and all the audience with a warm heart. This Mahotsav is dedicated to the people of India who have not only been instrumental in bringing India thus far in its evolutionary journey, but also hold within them the power and potential to enable Prime Minister Modi ji's vision of activating India 2.0, fueled by the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The commences on 12th March 2021, which starts a 70 Bhavyanshi Rudraksh Gautam. Nitya Garg, Shreya Gupta. Team C is Sharma. Team D is Naidu. Let's give a big hand to all of them. Absolutely correct answer. It is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Let me say some few lines on Rani Lakshmi Bai. It is very, popular. सिंहासन में आई फिर से नई जवानी थी, घुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी, चमक उठी सन 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Very nice. Now in this, balloons are provided on your desk. You have to pin it. Pins will be provided by the teacher also. Okay. If you know the answer, the first team who will burst the balloon first will get the chance to answer it. Okay. The first team who will burst the balloon at first, that team will get the chance to answer it. Again, each question contains 10 marks. In this, each question contains 10 points. And there is no time limit here. Revolt of 1857 from Kanpur was, options are Bhagat Singh, Tatya Tope, Mangal Pandey and Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so team D. Now another question. Question number 14, that is, who amongst the following had Operation Movement with Gandhi ji? Okay, before you will listen to the options, yes, team A, that is Gandhi's team, has answered, has burst the balloon first, yes.
C, Subhash Chandra Bose.
It's incorrect. So now this question will be, as I said, question will be. Okay, so Nehru team has burst the balloon first, whose famous slogan was Jai Hind. There is a chaos between the teams. Decide first what you want to answer because. But your first answer was incorrect. Now this question is dissolved again. As I said, you must have the patience. You must only then answer. Please have a seat. Thanks for having patience that you are sitting, but sometimes you are making noise. That's not good. Okay. And I'm having the result of this quiz, and you guess who is the winner? Gandhi. And who is the first runner-up? Gandhi. Both are the Gandhis. That is not fair. Okay. So the winners are Gandhis. Clap for them. And the second position, Naidos. And there is a tie between Nehru and Pandey. They are in the third position. Okay. Now I would like to call our academic administrator ma'am to come here and give some words to this class.
Thanks for inviting me. It was very nice. And students, such small students could recognize so many freedom fighters. That's very nice. Thank you everyone, and it was great. quiz. Thank you. Teachers and the students have done really very hard work and sincerely, and the pics they are coming out and the slides they made and the PPT, all things are awesome and fabulous. Now I would like to call Shashi ma'am, our primary coordinator ma'am. She has to come and say a few words.
Very good afternoon, every teachers and ma'am and headmistress ma'am and children. Very good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, everyone. Beta, winners Gandhi ji. Very good. Clap for Gandhi ji. सभी के लिए एक बार क्लैपिंग कर दीजिए, क्योंकि मेहनत तो सबने की है, चाहे विनर कोई भी हो, हारना जीतना तो लगा रहता है या नहीं? हारेंगे नहीं तो जीतेंगे कैसे, है ना? हारेंगे तभी तो जीतेंगे, एक बार हारेंगे आगे जाके जीतेंगे, तो कोई निराश होने की जरूरत नहीं है, सभी को खुश रहना है. Cheer up all of you, okay? Once again, clap for all.
And now I would like to call Dr. Irfan Elahi. Please come and felicitate the students. And Mr. Amit Sharma, Mr. Syed Zubair Ahmed, all three guests. मैम आप भी आइए साइड में, अभी अपना हाथ लगा दीजिए.
Congratulations and God bless you.
कितना कैसे सीखेंगे, that's it. And I would like to call our three guests to say a few words to our students, how they perform and about them. Thank you very much.
Very good competition. It creates the feeling of nationalism among the students. Okay, they were aware about their culture, their history, the freedom fighters, and it is very, very important to know about them. Okay, it's our fundamental duties also to make them aware about the national heroes who contributed, who sacrificed their life for the nation. Okay, thank you so much.
Everyone, sir, and your teacher. I actually enjoyed, and what I wanted to share, really wanted to share. I mean, there were times when I used to, and Amit sir also. I mean, that poem you recited or ma'am recited, "Bundelo har bolo ki mo humne suni kahani thi." I mean, deep down it went under wraps, but today, you know, it got replenished, and I'm going to remember it for the next 10 years, and that was a wonderful thing. That's the best thing coming here today. Thank you, and all the best for your next future endeavors. Thank you, children.
They conducted a very good competition throughout, and just one quote I would like to mention: success is not a good teacher. For all who have failed today, they never mind, success is not a good teacher, but the failure is. It teaches you humbleness, so that makes you humble, so that you need to learn all this. Thank you very much.
3 cheers for the primary wing.
Opportunity to hear about their thoughts. I am sure this will be truly helpful for us in our future. Thanks to all the teachers who help us directly or indirectly to make this event successful. Thanks to all the participants who prepared themselves for this event. Thanks for your support and time. Goodbye everyone. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Great interest in school activities. There will be one who got the first prize, but here everyone is a winner. You all took over your inhibitions and presented your talent in front of amazing audience. Let's have last a big round of applause for all the participants. And I would like to admit my thoughts at last. A good event never ends in the world. They take only a pause and keep us awaiting for.
I Laksh Goyal, participant of the quiz competition on the topic freedom fighter, and I am very happy.
Hello everyone. Today our students of BLS International School have been participated in a quiz competition on the event we have designed for the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav as committed from the CBSE, and it is very fantastic and very wonderful. The students have been participating very energetically and our teachers are also work very hard. Thank you very much.